Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. All right guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All back here. It's a little windier today, but we are going to install some permanent ridge anchors up on the roof here. First off, you're going to need some really good rope. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Bill. Julio, Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Jesus. Now this is some of the safety equipment that I'll be using. I have a full body harness if I need it. I have my lanyard with some big hooks to hook into the ladder. I have a fall device right here in case I do fall. It'll grab me and stop me. I have my backpack loaded with everything I need so I can just take it all up there at one time. I have a half body harness, which is what I'll be using most of the time. And then I have some climbing handles to help me climb up the rope. And the pitch of the roof is not your normal pitch. This is a fall and break your neck pitch roof. It is very steep. So you're going to need some good tennis shoes so you can bite into the roof. But these ridge anchors are permanent. And it's going to really help a lot. Let's go look at what I've got monkey rigged at the moment. You can see the rope I have tied off. This is my climbing rope here, which I will use to climb up the backside, which I've already been up there and it worked great. Then this is the rope that I'm using here that's going through a 12,000 pound strap to the ladder. All right, these are the ridge anchors I'm going to be using right here, and they have the butyl on them, which will seal up the holes. They give you some really good twist stainless steel nails, 8 of them, so 4 in each one, into a truss. That's important, but this will stay up there permanently and go underneath the ridge cap. And then I have some sealer for any types of holes, which I'll put extra on just to make sure it seals up good. But these will be here probably longer than we will be. So anytime you want to get on your roof, you can. You just hook on and you're good to go. All right, now I know a lot of you aren't going to be doing this up north in the wintertime, but this is a video you want to save so you can go back to it. So anyhow, these are the climbers that I'm using right here, and these are handy. There's a right and a left. You just do that number and you can pull yourself up like that. When you want to release, you just pull back on that. Very simple. So there's a right and a left, as I said. So you just clip that on the rope, pull yourself up. All right, you see how I've got this hooked to my ladder? 2 straps, not going anywhere. Right over the top of the ridge and then down to that palm tree. But I can walk right up the ladder now. It gives me a place to sit, actually. As I said, I know a lot of you aren't going to be doing this up north, but if you have to do this, do it once and be done with it, and you'll never have to worry about these again. Just like that. And then these D-rings will hang out underneath, and it's all stainless steel. I think we want to put it hopefully right in here, and hopefully there's a truss there. If not, I have to move over. So I brought a magic marker with me. I like to make my life a little easier. One of these is handy to have with you. I'll mark it right where the truss is. So I'll bang on that again so you can kind of see. Hear that hollow? It's right there. So if it's colder out and you want to get on this stuff quick, you can bring your heat gun up here and warm these up a little bit. telling you what now, we're definitely in the truss. Well, I can say this, it's gonna take a heck of a lot to pull them things out of there.